Happy New Year. I'm excited that we are all made it to this very year. If you're watching this video right now, it means that you made it to 2022. I'm so excited, super pumped up. I'm so happy that you are watching me right now and you were with me throughout last year into this new year. Yes, absolutely, this year have a lot of benefit for us. This year have a lot of goodies for us, and absolutely I'm super pumped up to what is going to happen this year. Well, on this channel there's going to be a lot of development, a lot of updates, a lot of tips, a lot of new ideas, new strategies that are going to be coming on this channel. So I'm going to be using this time to first of all welcome everyone that has been joining with me from 2021 to 2022. On behalf of myself and my team, we wish you prosperous new year and looking forward that we're going to have an amazing time. Like I said again, there will be amazing stuff that will be coming up on this channel. There will be a whole lot of live section, training, gift, books, email marketing, a lot of things, newsletters that will be coming up. So what you need to do is for you to be part of this community. Yes, we are fast growing at a moderate rate. I'd love you to share this channel with your friends, your family, anyone who's going to drive value from whatever we are sharing here on business strategies, career hacks, lifestyle strategies, and absolutely more. Like I said, there are going to be more exciting things that are going to be happening on this channel. So get yourself ready because we're going to ride on a high wavelength. My name is Gson Ebuka and I am actually your coach on this channel, discussing business strategies, lifestyle strategies, career hacks and tips. Every Wednesday and Friday, remember, I drop new videos here. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, oh my goodness, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for to join this channel, to join this community? Apparently you need to click on the subscription button right now and also like this video, and most of all share this video with your friends. I'll see you in a bit because we have a lot of things already piled up on this channel. Check out all the videos here. You can see that these videos are classics. They're timeless principles shared on them that can help you anytime, any day, anywhere in the world. So from me to you, all the way from Nigeria, Lagos, Nigeria, we wish you prosperous new year and happy new year. My name is Gson Ebuka. I'll see you next Wednesday. Remember, every Wednesday and Friday we drop new videos here. See you next Wednesday. Bye.